see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous night o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Very much. We hope that you will enjoy this Children's Citizenship Ceremony at this Hansen Dam location. I'd like to thank the American Heroes Network for inviting us to come here today to conduct this Children's Citizenship Ceremony in such a unique location. The Aviation Network, Mr. Jim Paulus, for a few remarks.
Good morning, folks. On behalf of our volunteer event team, I'd like to welcome all of you to the American Heroes Air Show. It's a true privilege to share with you this special day on your path to citizenship. The American Heroes Air Show mission since 1993 has been to produce a very special aviation event that exclusively profiles helicopters' crucial role in law enforcement, search and rescue, homeland security, and national defense. And while the high-tech, go-fast, super cool helicopters you'll see out here today is a big part of our story, our real message for all of our guests, and the one we hope you'll return home with, is that teamwork prevails and that volunteerism has thrived in the American spirit of public service for over 200 years. Spirit of dedication that honors family and country. In the real world beyond Hollywood, it's not the special effects, it's the special people that save the day. But if you still believe in Hollywood heroes that have all the right stuff, we encourage you and your family today. Meet the flight crews, police, fire, search and rescue teams here that have the real stuff. Tell the flight crews why you're here today, ask about their mission and training. They always have great stories to share with our guests, many of whom are naturalized U.S. citizens. In closing, and on behalf of our entire airshow team and the men and women of Southern California Emergency Services, we extend to you a challenge on your first day as a U.S. citizen. And that is to always remember that the one hero that will never give up on you, the one American hero that will always be there for you, is the American hero inside all of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day at the Heroes Air Show.
Thank you, Roland. Well, so how is everybody today? Besides a little hot. Okay, can I have all of my people who are going to become citizens today, raise your hands for me. All right, perfect. We're going to get to the oath in just a minute. Name as refugees, maybe even some of you might have been adopted by U.S. citizen parents. And the theme of today's show is American Heroes. All of your parents are now U.S. citizens, so I think what we have in the crowd right here are some tremendous American heroes, your parents. And maybe your parents aren't in the crowd with you today. Maybe they gave you citizenship a while ago. But they made a tremendous journey to get to this place for you. Many of them came from places that we can't even imagine, from circumstances that we can't even imagine. A huge round of applause to your parents who brought you to this day. They too are true American heroes. And repeat after me. I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by the law, and that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations! You may all be seated. Way to go, nice job.
On my time, 15 years ago, I was here, but I would never imagine that one day I will be invited to come over and be a guest speaker. Okay, now let's see. When I came over here from Thailand, I had only $800 in my pocket. Okay, I enlisted in the Navy, did 4 years active duty, served our nations, went to 2 wars, Kosovo and Iraq, and during my 4th year, I became naturalized as a U.S. citizen. That opens all the doors to me.
So now I'd like to introduce Mirko Duvjak from the California Air Guard from Los Alamitos.
Hi everybody. Actually, they did a misprint. It's U.S. Army, but that's okay. Hey, I'm really proud of you guys. You know, I was 3 years old when we came to the States. So I really didn't remember that much. You know, I had gotten a green card, and you know, I just the oath, and I just thought, wow, I'm really one now. And you know, one thing kind of led to another. You know, I did not do so good in school because, you know, I was too much of a daydreamer. I used to go to the library to read about things that interested me. To be out for yourself, what they mentioned, you're part of a team now. Now you're an American. Keep a lookout for your buddy, because something that I've always noticed, and I've seen it. Guys, congratulations and welcome.
We're going to have the new citizens come up and receive their certificates in just 1 second. But what I wanted to do is also to point out the Yemen, Iran, Ghana, Cuba, Vietnam. Countries represented. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is America. And I congratulate you on becoming part of it today. And now we're going to call everyone up to get their certificates.
So we're going to have for California. Most of you have been there when you came in for your processing of your application. He will be calling up the names, and as he calls the names, if you could please come up on stage to receive your certificate, and then you can return to
Mariam, Yahya, Mohammed, Ahmed. Murnaz Bastani, Alex Bit Ivanov, Allison Claudio Miguel, Fadi Dura, Ivan Josephat Farias Mora, Justine Ira Natividad Vivacio, Samantha Hope Hopkins, Jad Zevicius, Jomari Poya and Queenie Joy Poyaon Labasan, Minsitar Anguiano, Aaron Navarrete Seja, Juan Antonio Olmos Garcia, and Essie Yanfosa Seki Apia, Cynthia Tomasian Savaria, Brian Trujillo Torres, and Kenneth Trujillo Torres. Can we have a round of applause from everybody?
Citizenship ceremony. I really hope that you enjoyed this opportunity to be in this unique location.